Hello everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. This time I'll give you a short walking tour and I am here in front of Arroceros Forest Park. Arroceros Forest Park. So yeah, ang pagsasaayos ng Arroceros Forest Park ay alinsunod sa layunin ng pamahalaan lungsod na isinulong ang isang balanseng ekolohiya para sa mga mamamayan ng kapitulo ng bansa. So this is 2.2 hectares found at the heart, pusod, the belly button of Manila. Okay, so it's considered as the last lung since it's the only forest park that is remaining here in Manila. So it was constructed, or probably should I say rehabilitated during the time of Mayor Isko Moreno. So the park is open daily 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. So you should wear face mask. Bawal ang food at saka snacks, alcoholic beverages, smoking, pets, and others. So I think wala naman siyang entrance fee. All you have to do is just log in there kay Kuya. So kabababa ko lang galing sa Central Terminal Station dyan at diretso na ako dito. Okay, let's go. So Arroceros. So this is the same way the one that I have just read. So may mga signs dito for restroom. Yeah. So I guess I have to follow these lines here. So konti lang ang tao dito, guys. Amazing. So let me take a selfie. So it's well equipped, no? Magandang pumasyal dito, especially with kids, kasi hindi siya mainit. Maganda talaga siya. So meron ding palikuran dito. So ito yung map ng Arroceros Urban Forest Park. So meron ding parking, may coffee shop. So hahanapin ko itong coffee shop. I want to try that one. Meron ding, probably this is exit. Fairness, it's a very good place to rest, you know. Feeling ko mas maganda suot dito. So papasok tayo dito. So kompleto din yung mga kahoy. They placed some kala ko pangalan, hindi pala.
Bawal upuan.
Asyan, CCTV in operation. So ito ay light bulbs. So dapat hindi mo to upuan. So light bulbs ito. sit on the light bulbs. People. Look at that. Amazing. Okay, let's continue. Sa may pa-fountain dito guys. So parang nasa maze ako, no? It's good though. So my goal is to locate the coffee shop. So meron ding elevated walkway but I will not go there because nakakapagod umakyat ng hagdanan. Ayoko na. Pagod na ako. So it's nice to see a place like this in the middle of the city of Manila. So if you feel so hot or something, you wanna cool down, you should visit Arroceros Forest Park. So again, it's the last along of Metro Manila, of the city of Manila, because I think other cities here in Metro Manila still has their forest. So maraming upuan dito, no? You can chill here. May fish. May fish dito guys. So let's take a look at the koi. So ito yung mga fish. Laki na nila. Huwag pong pakainin ang koi fish. Okay. You should not feed these fishes. So forest. A forest is a complex ecological system dominated by trees. Together with these trees grow other plant forms such as palms, herbs, shrubs, and vines. Forests also contain animals such as insects, birds, and mammals of varying sizes and life forms such as mushrooms and other fungi. Arroceros was planted with over 3,000 seedlings in 1993. Through the years, the saplings grew into tall trees with a closed canopy. Okay. So, native species yung mga plants, mga puno-puno na tinanim dito. As well as flowers. So, may history pa pala, no? Tingnan natin. So, this is what Arroceros looks like during the Spanish period. So, the map of Manila. So Arroceros area was part of the Parian settlement for Chinese outside the walls of the city. It's labeled in this map as I, with corresponding label in the map legend as Pueblo del Parian. Okay. Parian de los Sanglias. This church was destroyed when the Parian was moved to a different area. Interesting. Tobacco factory. Diba? So even in Rizal's works na mention ng Arroceros. Okay. So, tayo ay maglakad na naman ulit. So, it has been their advocacy to save the park, and of course, this would encourage these birds to live in this forest.
Ito ang pagkain ng ano, no, te? Ganda ang pagkain niya. Ganda ang pagkain ng mga.
Sayang naman, walang masyadong tao. So, before tayo pumunta doon, let's take a look here kung anong meron dito sa Gidley. Oh my gosh, that's the Binondo something. I think it's the new bridge. Wait lang guys, I have to show you this one. Look at it. Hindi pala. Akala ko yun. So, I think this is Pasig. Yeah, this is Pasig. So, ito yung makikita ninyo dito guys. So, buti na lang, konti na lang yung water lily. And that bridge over there is Manuel L. Quezon Bridge. Diba? Let me take a selfie. El Quezon Bridge. Fairness maganda dito. Mini forest. So 2.1 hectares lang yung laki nito. And I guess that ends our walking tour here in Arroceros Water Park. Ano ba yan? Arroceros Forest Park, Water Park na naman. Oh my gosh. So yeah, but before we do that, let us have first our call of nature exit. Annyeong!